Reading Cloud is the school's online library platform. Here, you will be able to search for resources currently in the library, create your own video reviews and blog posts, and so much more. To access, visit www.readingcloud.net. Your username is your school email address. Your password is password1. You can change this once you've logged in. You also need to select your school. Simply type in the first few letters of Connaught School, and it should be the third option on the list. Once you have logged onto Reading Cloud, this is the page you will see. On your home page, you will see a notice for all students. You will also see features like Book of the Week, Word of the Day, Fact of the Day, any news items that you need to know, and other interesting things like star review, featured author, and suggested books. You will also be able to update your timeline. Once you have updated your timeline, your friends will be able to see that update. We also have this fantastic feature called Who Next. Who Next suggests authors for you to read based on your book borrowing. On the profile page, you'll be able to update your biography. You will see any books that you have liked, any authors you have liked, and any profiles you have liked. You will also be able to change your password here. This page will also allow you to add any friends and change your avatar. On your account page, you will see current loans. This will let you know what you are borrowing right now and what dates you need to return them. You'll also be able to see any past loans, any reservations, and all the reviews you have written. If you click on Search, you will land on this page. You have the option to search in different ways. There is an A to Z option. You'll be able to search for author, title, series, and genre in an alphabetical format. You will also be able to click on View button. This will allow you to search for AR quizzes between the book level that you have been given. You also have the picture format. This just gives you more options to search. The Advanced section allows you to search for very specific items. The Advanced section allows you to search for specific resources. So for example, if I wanted to search for an AR book level of exactly 4.0, if you know what you're searching for, you can use the quick search button. Simply type in what you're looking for. So I will type in the author Mallory Blackman. Once the results page has loaded, you will see all the books written by Mallory Blackman. Underneath each book are 3 circles. The green circle will tell you how many copies are available. The red circle will tell you how many copies are reserved. And the blue circle will tell you how many total copies there are in the library. Once you have clicked on a book from the search page, you will be able to do a few things. You can reserve the book by simply clicking on the green button and then clicking Reserve at School. You can add it to any list that you have made. You can even take your accelerated reader quiz straight from this page. And you can create a review. If you were to create a review, you have some sentence starters for you to help you make that review. You can add your own 5-star rating to it, and you can create a video review. We also have a fantastic feature called My Home Library. Once you have clicked on the Home Library tab, you will be able to add any books, games, DVDs, CDs, and other resources that you have at home. This will allow your friends to see what you have, and they could potentially ask to borrow it from you. If you wish to get creative, you can even start your own blog. Simply press the blog tab, add a blog title, and anything you wish to write about. If there is anything you need to ask, feel free to press Send Librarian a message. You will be able to email any of your concerns or questions that you may have. Happy browsing!